Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application where we show you how to make a TikTok take up less storage. So right now we have three different options to do this, which can help you. So the first of them is to disable all of the junk files, to remove all of the cache from this app. So let's do this. Let's go to the TikTok app, and don't forget that on our YouTube channel you can find a lot of different tutorials and videos about the TikTok app, and also you can find special video about how to disable junk files from this TikTok application. But today I will repeat all of the settings, all of the steps, and show you how to disable junk files again. So right now, when we have the TikTok opened, we are on the profile page and tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Later we have to tap on the settings and privacy option. Later let's scroll down a little bit and find the clear cache feature. Let's click on it one time and wait a minute. When we have the zero inscription opposite, let's tap on the arrow and update and refresh our page. Right now all of the junk files are disabled, so of course it's not a panacea, but this step can help you. So the second way which can help you to make your TikTok take up less space is to disable all of the drafts. Yes, it's really very painful, but we need to delete all of the drafts video from this folder. So when we are on the profile page, we need to tap on the drafts feature, drafts icon, which is the first one. Later let's pick on the select option and tap on the needful all films, all videos, to disable them. Later let's pick on the delete option at the bottom and choose the delete feature again. So as you can check, right now we don't have this special draft section because we have deleted all of the videos. And these steps can really help you, so you can check if your TikTok is so heavy for your storage. So let's go to the settings app. It looks like this. You can find it on your main screen or home screen or main menu. Later let's choose the general option. And later let's pick on the iPhone storage section. Wait a minute please, and as you can see, right now we can check how many storage is needful for our TikTok app, how many storage is used by this application. So if you think that this application is too heavy and you have problems with the phone work, then so let's delete this application. I won't do this on my phone because I need this app, but you have to pick on the delete application on your device to disable this app at all from your gadget. And after, you need to reinstall this app from the App Store. So when we are in the App Store app, you just only have to pick on the search option like as usual and write TikTok here in the search bar. Later let's find this application from the list and tap on the install or download icon near. So right now I didn't delete this application from my phone, so it's current on my device, but you can find the special download feature when you want to reinstall this app on your gadget. So I'm sure that these settings will help you, and if you have some problems with your phone, these steps will definitely be useful and needful. Don't forget about likes, and I hope that right now you don't have any troubles with your device. So guys, don't forget also about our TikTok channel, HardReset.Info. We really want that you will be our subscriber. So good luck and goodbye to everyone. Bye bye.